Video number 2. Advanced Google Ads Mastery, Introduction. What are Google Ads? Google offers paid advertisements which appear in search results on Google.com with the use of Google Ads, or advertisements that appear on other websites through the display network and Google's AdSense program. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense allows publishers to place ads on their websites and other real estate in exchange for a commission. These publishers make up a portion of the Google display network that advertisers can leverage through Google Ads. Google Ads versus Google AdSense. Google Ads. Generate traffic to your own site from the Google display network of publishing partners, mobile apps, and video. Google AdSense. Generate traffic for other sites as a Google display network publishing partner. Google Ads. Your audience may not know about your product or service and aren't searching for it on Google. However, a visual ad may catch their eye if you can show up on the sites where they do hang out. Google AdSense. Your site is generating traffic and you want to monetize it. You don't mind renting out real estate on your site to advertisers that your audience may find interesting. Conclusion. Google Ads and Google AdSense are effective ways to generate revenue with digital advertising methods. The former is you drive traffic to your site and the latter is you use your site to drive traffic elsewhere. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.